In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize bullet points in Google Docs and Google Slides. Whether you're working on an important document or a visually engaging presentation, knowing how to tailor those bullet points can make your content both professional and personal. Let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this with ease. First, start by opening your Google Docs document or Google Slides presentation. Locate the specific list that you'd like to customize. Click on any single bullet point within this list, which will automatically select all bullet points in that particular group. This is a handy feature that saves you time, ensuring the changes you make will apply to every bullet in that section. Once your bullet points are selected, the next task is to explore the preset bullet symbols available. To do this, simply right-click on any of the selected bullet points. You'll see a context menu appear. This menu presents a range of preset options for numbering styles and basic bullet symbols. You can choose from Arabic numerals, Roman numerals, or letters. And for the symbols, options like circles, squares, stars, and checkboxes are all readily available. Clicking on your preferred choice will immediately apply it, giving your list a fresh new look. For those wanting more creativity or specific symbols, right-click again on the selected bullet points and this time choose More Bullets. This choice will summon a dedicated pop-up window that opens up a treasure trove of possibilities. Once in the More Bullets window, you'll find a wealth of categories to browse. Within the Symbols category, you'll discover a variety of icons, such as arrows and mathematical symbols. If emojis are more your style, the Emoji category offers a colourful assortment to choose from. There's a search bar at your disposal here too, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for by typing in a keyword. And for the artistic types, the Draw Symbol option lets you sketch a design, with Google suggesting similar symbols you might want to use. After exploring your options, simply click on your desired symbol or emoji and watch as your bullet style transforms instantly to match your selection. Now, if you have sub-bullets or indented points, you may notice they default back to the standard style when you create them. Not to worry, select those indented bullet points and repeat the process, applying the unique style you want, following the same steps for customization. And when it comes to Google Slides, rest assured that the options and steps you just learned apply in the same way here as well. This consistency between Docs and Slides is great, as it allows your bullet point styling to remain cohesive, no matter where you're working. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily customize bullet points in both Google Docs and Google Slides, crafting your content to look just as you envision it.